probably wondering if this is actually real, and guys, yes, we actually did convert a dirt bike into a quad. It's a 2022 CRF450RS with our Trike kit on the back half. On the front half, we have a quad kit. This is something we've been working on for a little while now, and we made it happen. So just keep in mind in this video, there's no plastic on the bike. We're kind of keeping it a little bit of a secret in terms of the clips that we actually show, but this is just a prototype, guys, and it's only up from here. So we're hoping to actually do all the other brands, Cowie, KTM. Let's just see what happens, and if you guys like it, we'll build more. Comment, let me know what you think. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, this thing absolutely rips, and enjoy the video. Don't find out about it one day. Scaring me right now, dude. What do you think?
It's fucking awesome.
Hell yeah.
It pulls me like a fuck.
If it pulls you, we're doing good, right?
Yeah. Anywhere they go, just climb. Chewed up your tires.
Oh, it's cool. I already did too. It's not
I
bad.
didn't realize how fast it'd go. When I got to the end of the thing over here, I was fucking...
Certified ripper.
Dude, these tires, these are wicked tires. Scott, now they're chewed up.